cookies, sweets, cakes, all of the all of the sinful stuff na.
Simple lang. Walang mga malalaking
like yeah, I think more on food and masahe. Yun talaga.
Pero anong guilty pleasure mo na you cannot give up?
That I cannot give up? Oh my God. Sweets. Talaga. Cookies.
Kahit ganyan ang katawan mo.
Kaya, wow, thanks. No, that's why I work. Hi guys. Yeah, that's why I work out extra hard kasi nga malakas ako kumain ng sweets. Kasi kung hindi ako masyado mag-overcompensate.
Kaya nga, samantalang
Nakaamoy lang ng sweets.
umiiwas na nga kami sa sweets.
Ang sarap kasi, diba? I mean, ang sarap kumain ng
Anong favorite mo na sweets?
cookies.
In particular?
Cookies. Cake.
So bakit guilty pleasure ka?
Because it's something,
Reaction
I mean,
upon reading those?
it's something that is not good for us, but
Masarap.
we enjoy it. But okay, I mean, like, these are simple things naman in life na we have to enjoy eventually, you know. Pero it's minsan kasi everyday ako. Hindi minsan everyday. So,
Pero dito, bakit siya guilty pleasure?
oh my gosh. We're gonna have to wait for Direct to explain because maraming aspects na kailangan natin kailangan matackle kasi sa iba't ibang characters kung bakit guilty pleasure yung tao.
Ano yung character mo?
I'm a lawyer here. Kaya naka-out yun Yes, I'm a lawyer here. So basically, ayun, there are certain things that we fight for and yun yung mga characters namin dito. So,
Pero dalawa ang leading man.
Yes.
So, how was it?
Kumusta naman yun?
Parang first time ba working?
Yes, first time working with JM and Jameson. So, yun, I'm very excited kasi nga, iba din yung tema nito. It's something deeper. So, it's more for like adult in such a way na parang iba nga yun since we're playing lawyers here. And iba yung itatakle namin na story. I'm not sure kasi if I can share the twist or the storyline kasi nga mahirap
More on kanino ka? Yan sa
both of them na may ibang story kasi kami na sinashare. Dalawa. Kaming dalawa ni Jameson. We have a different storyline together and si JM then. But of course, our paths like mag-intertwine talaga.
Magkaibang time? Or...
Yes.
Okay, kind of sabay.
Pero may gagawin ka ba dito na hindi mo pa nagagawa?
Yes, for sure. Actually, I'm very nervous kasi it's something that I've never done before, especially playing a lawyer. And iba yung, and it's Direk Connie Makatunov. It's our second time together. We worked together sa Malaya, and I've always been a fan of Direk Connie pagkatapos ng film namin na Malaya, and then now we're reunited again. Tapos iba naman yung story na gagawin namin. So,
at medyo daring ka dun sa Malaya. Pagka kayo ni Sancho. Dito, ganun din. Mga daring scenes.
May mga steamy love scenes ka rin ba?
May,
steamy.
there will be, let's just put it this way, sensitive moments. So, it's something that we have to, it's something that I think should be put out there.
Ito ba, may approve ng since first project?
Yes, I mean, like, it's not like I asked permission. Nothing's changed. I'm still the same. Parang alam naman niya yung line of work ko. And there's no need for approval. He respects my job. And then, he's very excited for me for me to do this project. Kasi nga, it's been a while. And we got to spend some time together during Christmas. And so sabi ko, okay, it's time to go back to work. So,
Dili-discuss niyo every time na may project?
yes, of course. Kasi marami kaming mga, we kind of share the same interests. And yun, he loves hearing what I do. And ako din, gustong-gusto ko din naririnig kung ano yung mga nangyari sa kanya about work. So, syempre, we, of course, he's also part of the industry, but also he's a scientist. So, magkaiba din yung world namin. So when I hear about his work stuff, na-excite ako, and siya din pag narinig niya what I'm doing.
Sinong peg mo as a lawyer?
Actually, I don't
okay.
really have a peg.
Not
Kasi
even
ako
Junardo.
Lorna
I
Kapunan.
don't really, kasi parang I wanted to come like authentic as myself, like
okay,
and
so
play it the way I would. Pero syempre, I wanna be able to give justice to our lawyers. So, yeah.
Kamusta? Okay ka na? Naka-adjust ka na sa setup na pumupunta ka sa US, tapos balik dito pag may work.
Yes.
Kamusta yung ganong adjustment?
Mahirap, pero kung gugustuhin, magagawa naman ang paraan. I'm just very happy that I have a supportive husband who pushes me to do what I love and who's excited for me. And it's a lot of work kasi parang ang hirap mag-switch on bigla and then switch off. But then that's just part of the job and I enjoy it so much, so I'm not complaining at all. Kumbaga, I wouldn't have it any other way. So
Wala ka yung usapan na hindi naman ikaw naman ang pumunta dito.
He's gonna come here.
Okay.
Yeah, so we basically, may mga times lang talaga na
Most of the time, ikaw.
yes, ako yung lipat doon because, well, I can't say I'm based like in between yung tipong ganun because work is also here, work is also there. So I'm just like really everywhere.
Gano'ng kakatagal na yan?
I'll be here a couple of months. So matagal and meron din naman akong gagawin na ibang project after. So
Oo nga.
yes.
Parang may narinig ako medyo malaki-laking project yung isa pa. Okay ka na doon.
Pag-uusapan natin yun once that's all.
Oo,
ironed
hindi pa
out.
pwedeng i-share.
But yun, sobrang excited ako because it's something.
Iba siya na. Oo.
Yeah, so, but ito, guilty pleasure for sure is something nakakaiba. I'm actually very nervous about it.
So how does it feel na balik Regal?
Oh, I'm always happy filming for Regal because ever since right from the beginning talagang they've always believed in me and naka-ilang projects na ako and I'm always happy with them. And Mr. Sel, Mother Lily, I can't thank them enough talaga. Right from the beginning pa lang when I was starting.
Ano na mas mapaprioritize mo, Lavi? Yung mga commitments mo, projects mo dito o yung sa Hollywood din? Kasi mukhang
Yes.
nagsisimula ka na rin doon, di ba? Umaariba ka na rin doon.
Thank you. Ako talaga, I just want to give the same effort that I give. You know what I mean? It doesn't vary because it's here in the Philippines versus in the US. Kung ano mas bibigyan ko ng importansya. Work is work. I will give it the same love, the same effort. And yun, it's equal to me. Syempre parang that one's a different venture that for me is brand new. It's a new faces, new experience. But yun, it's just something that I'm gonna enjoy as much as I enjoy filming here. So.
Na-feel mo na rin yung pagiging actress mo doon? Pagiging celebrity mo na rin doon?
Well, more of an actress because it's like being on set with my co-actors doon. It's just super fun and sobrang ganda lang na experience nung nag-film ako doon.
Oo, di ba aside from ano yung isa yung, di may isa ka pang start na?
Bali, ilan na nagawa mo?
Dalawa na.
Dalawa.
Gosh. Sorry, I'm like wondering.
Ay, madami.
Na.
Sorry, nabasa ko.
Yung isa, yung bad, ano ba yun?
3. This is 3. 3 na yung nagawa.
Natapos mo.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
And then the other one, we're about to film pa lang siguro. I don't know kung ano yung exact date, but I'm very excited.
Parang, do you see yourself na nagre-red carpet ka na rin sa Oscars, nagka-ano ka na rin doon sa ibang mga events like
that would be a dream, right?
Oo,
That
Liza
would be
Soberano,
nice.
di ba?
That's
Medyo ano na rin
nice,
siya.
yeah.
Oo.
That would be nice, yeah.
Yun na rin.
But ako, for me, I love being on set. Talaga yung favorite ko. I mean, of course, those sweet little things are nice. But ang sarap lang kasi I love acting, so being on set is really...
Pero as of now, wala ka pa muna commitment doon, dito muna.
Meron ako, the one that I'm supposed to do, but I have to finish work here first.
Okay. So dito muna. So okay ka na sa movies, no teleseries, wala ka munang...
Movies, yes. I'm working on movies first.
Oo.
Pero dito sa ginawa mo sa Hollywood, may mga love scenes ka ba?
Not fully. Just more of like sweet romantic moments.
Pero
So,
dito sa Guilty Pleasures, will you have...
we will have like certain scenes that I'm not really sure if you can just call them love scenes. So, yeah.
So,
13.
More than love scene.
more than love scene. It's gonna be different from the
It's very
from the
different.
past.
Yes. Yes.
Kaibang